Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into some fascinating diplomatic drama that's making waves across Africa. Yep, we're talking about King Charles III, Zambian President Hakainde Hichilema, and Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa. So grab your snacks, sit back, and let's get into it. Picture this. The Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting is just around the corner, and King Charles III decided to make a call, but guess who he called? It wasn't Mnangagwa. It was Zambia's President Hichilema, or HH, as he's fondly known. This move signals a major diplomatic shift. But why? Let's break it down. First off, King Charles's call to HH was anything but random. Zambia's president has been making quite the impression on the global stage. He posted about their conversation on Facebook, calling it cordial and productive. It's clear that Zambia's stock is rising, and Hichilema's leadership is a big reason why. Contrast this with Zimbabwe's Mnangagwa, who's been facing some serious international shade. Allegations have surfaced that Mnangagwa worked as a British spy during Zimbabwe's liberation war. This has cast a long, dark shadow over his reputation. Trust me, when your international standing is questioned, it's tough to bounce back. But wait, there's more. Mnangagwa was conspicuously absent from a historic photo op with King Charles and other world leaders. This iconic image included UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, Rwanda's President Paul Kagame, and yes, HH. The absence of Mnangagwa speaks volumes about his declining political clout. Zimbabwe's efforts to rejoin the Commonwealth have hit a wall, largely due to Mnangagwa's human rights record. While other leaders received a warm reception, Mnangagwa's only notable meeting was with the Commonwealth Secretary-General, who emphasized the importance of upholding Commonwealth values. Ouch! Even though Mnangagwa received an invite to King Charles's coronation, the tension between Zimbabwe and the UK is palpable. Mnangagwa's controversial leadership and alleged past as a British intelligence operative continue to strain these diplomatic ties. Meanwhile, Zambia's influence is growing by leaps and bounds. Hichilema's focus on good governance and attracting foreign investment is paying off big time. The international community is responding positively, and Zambia's global standing is on the rise. In stark contrast, Zimbabwe's diplomatic isolation is deepening. Mnangagwa's controversial past and his government's human rights record make it tough for the international community to engage. This isolation is a major roadblock to foreign investment and diplomatic support, stalling Zimbabwe's economic growth. So, what's the takeaway here? Strong leadership and a commitment to human rights can significantly shape a nation's global standing. Hichilema's Zambia is flourishing, while Mnangagwa's Zimbabwe is increasingly sidelined. And that's the scoop, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Catch you next time.